Pasko na, Sinta ko, ala-ala kita. How's everybody doing? I miss everyone. It's been a while, and it's fine that we are staying well and staying safe, and traveling is still a question. But hey, we can reconnect virtually. We can reconnect audibly. We can use the phone. It's better if we do FaceTime, like right now. I was thinking we can do lunch together or coffee, just have a coffee break together. It's possible. This is the generation that we live in, and aren't we grateful for all the advanced technologies, and hopefully they are really impacting lives in a positive way. It's how we use any tools. It's how we use resources that we have, so we can joyfully journey to a life of happiness and optimism using this technology and resources. Why don't we have coffee together and talk about how to live a wise living, sharing our own garden, fairy tales? Well, tell me your thoughts about this. This is your Lady Lorda, Mama. So this is how we do it. Coffee break.